Alright, so what are we working on today? Still doing some upgrades for this 2014 Ford Focus. Originally, when you were sitting inside, it was almost like it was a massage chair. You ever see that scene in Jurassic Park with the water cup and it's shaking as the T-Rex is approaching? Well, it was like that non-stop with this car. Pretty much like a free massage chair, so a little bit sucks to be getting rid of that, but for quality of life, to keep it quiet, I think we're gonna go ahead and change this mount out. So I got the engine supported with the jack here, and here's the old mount that I took off. As you can see, very shot, rattling, loose. So I think that based on the cracks and everything in this, this thing probably has been on here since the life of the car. So 162,000 miles the engine mount is shot. So I went ahead and ordered a brand new OEM one online. There's the part number that I got for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop it in and see if that removes our vibrations here, which it should, because I replaced the transmission mounts with OEM and it's still shaking, so it's likely just this engine mount. Alright, we got the new engine mount in there and all torque to spec. Yeah, I think that's going to solve our issue. You can see this thing's not supposed to be moving at all, but over time it's just kind of lost its grip there. You can usually buy just, this shock absorber itself online and save yourself 30 bucks or whatever, but you gotta really clamp this down in the right way. It's literally just bending that steel over that, but if you do it wrong, you're gonna have to go buy the new mount anyway, so I just like to buy as a complete unit. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn it over and see if that fixes it for us. So if we did this right, won't have any vibration at all, but another moment of truth. Whoa, that makes a difference. There is no shaking. Yep, that was it. So anyways, we'll be doing more updates in the future. Till the next one.